This is a Firefly box fan, battery powered box fan in my bathroom. It's our last box fan. I mean, we used to have a KDK V3TTH mains powered box fan, but it broke. And then after it broke, way after it broke, we got this. Now I kind of regret letting my parents let it go, because after all, I could have it rewinded, bring it to the Philippines, bring it to a repair shop and have it rewinded. So I kind of regret letting them take it down to the recycling, basically. Even though this is cheaper to just get rid of the old one and buy a new one. I still thought repairing it would have been better. It's 24 bulbs in there, 24 LEDs. Back. This fan is very helpful when I'm pulling this. Our bathroom is not air conditioned, and we have no ceiling fan up there, and there's no plug where we can put a portable fan that you can use. The only fan here that's mains powered is the exhaust fan, which does not do much when it comes to cooling. I have a video for that as well. It's getting dirty, but I'm probably not gonna clean it anytime soon. I bought this. It is. Sorry, we didn't buy it. It's given to me by a relative of mine. No. It seems like this chart has been incomplete. Oh, it is 2013. It's sold in 2013, but the month is incomplete. QC passed 2. Don't know what that is exactly. It might have some. It might be Philippine standard, something like that. But anyway, this arrow here, it's all kind of obvious what it is. With only little, and then the light can be pointed at any direction you want it. Whoa. So, bottom, if I haven't showed it to you yet, I think I have, I'll show you the light. Now, I'll show it to you on low. Now, it's a unique grill, it spins. When you tighten this up, I'll just show it to you off for a while. In there. Now, what happens is that you loosen it, and then it tightens it up and it becomes an air circulator, and you loosen it, it becomes a dissipated flow fan. That's sort of what I call it. But anyway, I'll turn it on, low speed, dissipated flow. There it is. High. Moves a great amount of air. I use it like this when I poo, and it's very helpful. Before I had to sweat, I had to rely on the little exhaust fan. I had to just sit in the heat, dripping. Now I've got this. Spin down, it's sort of 2 spin downs and 1, because you got first the fan blade stop and then it's the grill. So pretty interesting. Now we'll tighten this. It's at the low. So now it's an air circulator. This would be ideal if you're, for example, maybe it's gonna be outside and near a small opening that might be maybe over there or something, and this can blow very long range and reach that little imaginary opening there, basically. High. And not move as much air, I think, but it's more concentrated. So, wow, that's what they call an air circulator. No, I'm not gonna put there. Might use it like this in winter, just to help get rid of this when there's steam in the bathroom and I'm trying to get rid of it. I might do something like that to make it face outside the window. It'll be helpful. But anyway, started from high and I think I forgot to do it. Thanks for watching. Might make an update video when it's fully charged.